Ja, asuntoskeittiö Kyminkulma.
Se Braskon.
Yeah, strange. The other one is still original.
Yeah, but only one because it was a disappointment also.
Yeah.
Although it was important.
Yeah.
Today on the 14th of July 2025, it was built in 1961. But this is not. Has it been Heinola or HH468 because there's a difference?
Yeah, strange.
Mostly 2004.
Yeah.
Or no, it cannot have been Helsinki Hissi, but no, it's not.
Yeah.
That's these three purposes of the diagrams.
Yeah.
What was the address?
Kaivokatu 10, staircase B.
Yeah, Kaivokatu 10 I have to check, also from the staircase 8 later, it's still original. It's Epilän Konepaja actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
E.
Yeah.
So this is. Yeah. It's even more rare, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, originally, but I have tested
Yeah.
it to get the staircase A.
Yeah.
I don't know why they modernized this one, but yeah.
Yeah.
It's also important, but because the other one is still original, this is why this is still a small disappointment.
Yeah.
Letting the doors are unnecessary.
Yeah.
The buttons are big here, but it doesn't need to be.
Yeah.
No, in Heinola, Lahti region, Finland. That's it. And small windows.
Yeah. That's